Hello friend A-Arduino. This period I play little airplane and I make small plane to play in the small part. I really like to play airplane and I like to make it quite similar. I love in the airplane model. So one thing that I like to see the plane landing and take off from the ground. So I try to make the view, what they say, saying landing gear. So I use 3D printer. I use 3D printer. Ender 3. I have Ender 3 my own. Okay, I will make by use the Tinkercad to make my view. I click join now. I have my already. I use Facebook to log in. I easy when I use Facebook. May not ask any question. Just if you never sign up, you have to register. I use Facebook. Yeah, in Tinkercad, not only 3D printer, it has like electronic designer, uh, yeah, electronic designer and code block is new. I never use it, and I don't know. Lesson mean I think it is okay, like like tutorials. Okay, I be back to this designer. So they have search here. I search some view from from friend in I don't know who make it. I click tinker, copy and tinker to make you know they do they did the good job. For my design is not really not good. I have to searching and I have to use this is from the other one. So I have this view. You know, if you make this better, I think you can make your own. You have you have tool here. You have the right hand side. You can bring everything here and you can do. So today I just like to show something pretty easy. So I like to make it when I have the example from searching. I have to modify something. Sometimes I want to modify this whole, uh, but this part is one piece. So it look like okay. Example. Yeah, two. This part is one piece, but exactly the part is not make one time. when we take a look in this view, you will have donut here. You will have, this is like cylinder, and some plate in below here. So if you want to modify this whole, you have to break everything. You have to break this view. You have to use the ungroove tool. This ungroove tool, then you will have the part separate. Now you have two parts separate. You know, when I select part here, then you have two parts, something like this. Okay, example. So I have to delete dimension here. I have to click this, and I have to put the number here. Now I am enough for this number. I don't want to change the number. If you want to change the number, you have to change this number. So if ready, I have to put it close to my position, very close, pretty close. Change, and then you, okay, click, and then we would like to make this small circle in the center of the big circle. What I'm gonna do, I have to select path number 1, and I press shift and the second part. You will see this to tell you now you select two shapes, and I have to click this alignment. The point, the black dot will tell you where is the position that you want. You click here. This is in the middle, but in the horizontal side and the vertical side here. Now you in the middle. Still okay. The next step, you have to group two circle together. Group. There we go. Now you have one piece. Now you have the view, completely view. You have only one piece. Okay. The next step. Now I have one view. I want to view. I have to copy. Copy. Left hand side, the symbol for copy and paste. Yes, it is just a simple copy and paste thing. So now I am finished for two view. I have to, okay, here we go. I am ready. Okay. Next step, I have to export. .atl file. The name of this file will be view good number 1. I already have name view good. The program will automatic put the name view good number 1 for you. Okay. Next step, I have to convert this view to be this project to be G code. For G code, I use Cura. Open Open Cura program and file and load module file. Looking for your view. View good number one. Okay, I have view good number one. That's it. For the parameter I use here, you can try by similar me. You have the good quality and 5 safety code to your SD card. Will will 4.8 up to you what name you want. That's it. Now ready to print out. Okay, now you're ready to go. I have to bring my SD card to 3D printer.